Add me to stream. Welcome, everyone. It is Tuesday, November 30th, 2021. And we're going to be talking mainly about the S&P again today, a little bit about crude oil. Let's start with how the trades are working. Yesterday's purchase of puts worked out beautifully. The first significant winning trade here, bought at 14.75, reduced at 39, and sold the rest at 230. Central at 85. So they were 46.55 puts. So the level in the S&P was 45.70. I bought one crude oil last night around 68.2 and then doubled down after the close at 67. So I now have two lots and an open loss of $1,200 there. And then selling two $4.50 puts. I'm not strong conviction on natural gas yet, but there is a intraday reversal on high volume. This is significant. This 65,000 contracts exchanged in just 4 hours. That's a large amount. So there is some, significant buying interest at 450. So I'm selling. This is paper trading, but sold two 450 puts. I believe that IVs will continue to come down. So that's the call there. All right, let's get into the meat of the subject today. And I'm going to start with my quote of the day. And again, I'm talking about numbness. To know you are numb is actually a huge insight. I said that yesterday. For many people, it is the beginning of our journey into the human heart. But rare is the human that knows they are numb. Most of us try everything we can to avert the realization that we are feeling numb. I think that's such a great quote, and it's so pertinent to trading. There's so many times where we're feeling numb as traders, right? Like it's either numb in action or numb on some deeper level, right? Like there's the numbness of like laziness or inaction or feeling frozen. There's also like the deeper numbness of because we're human, we all have this drive toward wealth and power. And for traders, that's a very strong part of our a lot of people's reason for trading. And numbness is in there, and it's this feeling that we try to avoid. And it's this, we think that by getting rich or accumulating all of this money, somehow we can avoid this feeling. Well, we can't. We can't. So just realizing that you're numb, whether it's on that deep level or whether it's just in the moment that you feel frozen, you feel indecisive. It's really a huge part of trading. Okay, big headlines for today. Obviously, the S&P sold off. So again, we got that call right last night. The VIX rallied. That's a monthly chart. Let's stick with the daily for now. There's a daily. So back up toward, but not at the highs of last Friday. And that's significant because it represents a divergence in the sense that the S&P made new lows, the VIX did not. So that's one of several reasons why I closed the S&P puts and I'm not reopening them, is because we have that temporary, short-term bullish divergence. While we're on the topic of divergence, so I'm just going to say, the VIX closed this month way higher than, it might be hard to see on this chart, but there's only about 10 other months since 2012, all the way back here.
Connection lost.
10 years ago that we've closed higher than that. So this is very significant, and this is bearish, the S&P. We are going to enter a bear market. I think I'm up to a 65% call on that. I was at 60, and now I would say I'm at 65. All right. I'm going to have to start this back up in a little bit.